When Scott went on his first date with Robbie, he came home with the biggest smile and said he was going to marry this guy. And I was like, "Aw, how cute." He's never said that before. From that time on, they continued to date, and Scott kept telling me the most wonderful things about Robbie, like too good to be true.
Scott. Everyone has their own definition of what love is and what makes a relationship special. To me, it can be defined in moments, whether it's big ones like this, with you and I here on our wedding day, or little ones like finding surprise handwritten notes wishing me a great day. Some moments carry more weight than others, and some might not even register to the both of us the magnitude of their importance. But nonetheless, they happen and they exist. I remember years ago riding along Sunset Boulevard as the sun was setting. You were driving and I was in the passenger seat holding your hand on the center console like we sometimes do. I gave you a quick squeeze with my hand and I said aloud, "I'm gay." I'm sure you were shocked because we were two men that had been openly dating for quite some time at that point. But it was the first time that I had said those words with complete and total confidence.
Robbie, growing up, I wanted to believe there was someone out there that was destined to be my partner for life and that I would be theirs. I wanted to know what true love was and experience all the joys, happiness, and yes, even challenges that came with marriage. I always hoped and dreamed that that day would one day become a reality. Over 5 years ago, you managed to make me smile the moment I met you when you gave me that single sunflower on our first date in Hermosa Beach, California. You had that witty humor, constant optimism, and that ambitious drive that made me want to know more. After the first date, I can honestly say my dream was starting to look like a reality because I was hooked.
I hid my shame behind excuses of being against labels and ignoring the truth. It wasn't until I met you that I ever felt truly at peace with myself. It was you that helped me find myself, accept myself, and find love for myself. So today, in this moment, first and foremost, I want to thank you. Thank you for seeing me. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for being you. And thank you for loving me, insecurities and all.
You guys just complement each other so well. You make yourselves better people through each other. You make us better people through your guys' love. The love that you give each other, the love that you extend to us, the love, the support. I just love you guys.
It's only fitting that two such caring and loyal people would end up together, and I'm blessed to have them both in my life.
In the last couple of years, we've learned there are more important things to fight for than a World Series championship. There's equality, and there's love like Scott and Robbie's. If they have even half the happiness they deserve out of life, they'll be set for the next 50 years. And on that note, let's toast to a happy life together.
I promise to support and encourage you in all of your dreams because even if you feel you have no one else on your side, you can be sure you will have me. I promise to continue to make you laugh, even when I manage to laugh more at my own jokes than you do. I promise to always give you the benefit of the doubt and to be devil's advocate for you. I promise to continue to communicate with you and to never give up on you. I promise to be the man of your dreams as you are still the man of mine. I promise to tell you in actions and in words every single day how incredible I think you are inside and out. And I promise to be your best friend for life.
I stand before you with the promise of my love. I promise to stay focused on you, focused on us, and focused on our future. I promise to always say I'm sorry and to remember that feelings matter. I promise to encourage you and support you in any and every way that I can possible. I promise to cherish every moment, big, small, or insignificant. And lastly, I promise that I will love you unconditionally as you have me for the rest of my life. I think about our lives with all these moments we've already shared, and I'm so excited for the ones to come.
You've made me happier and a better man than I could have ever imagined, and I cannot imagine going through this life without you by my side. I love you.